Hey everyone, welcome to IncomeBuddies, the place where future billionaires come together. Today we're going to learn about the 5 steps to save your first $10,000 a year. If you're new here and want more wealth building and investing tips, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell icon. Now let's get started. Step 1. Break down the huge numbers. Of all the steps, this is probably the most important. Break the huge number into easily digestible number. This will serve as a guide for us to take appropriate actions. First, we identify our goal, which is to save $10,000 per year. Next, we break down the numbers into the numbers required to save a year, a month, a week, and finally, a day. By breaking down the numbers, saving $10,000 per year will require you to save $833 per month. That may sound like a lot to some who just started on a job, but when you break it down to weeks or even days, you will only need to save $192 per week or just $28 per day. And this sounds pretty achievable, don't you think? And here's a secret tip. Break that down further into hourly wage, and that's the amount you need on your next pay raise to save that extra $10,000. Step 2. Save on monthly bills. Probably this is one of the fastest and easiest way to get that $833 per month savings. Every single month, you pay hundreds to thousands of dollars on your bills. Some are essentials, while many others are not. Typical essential bills are stuff such as rental, utilities, mobile plans, and transport. While on the non-essential stuff are stuff such as credit cards and gym memberships. Now let's dive into how we can cut our bill expenses. Rental. Renting a place called home is essential. But are you sure you need that swimming pool for the house you rent? Or the facility which you almost never use? Maybe it's a good idea to take a look at the place you rent. Can it be much lower? By simply doing this, you can probably save a couple $100 per month. Utilities. Paying utility bills is a must, but maybe you can consider using electronics which have a higher energy saving. This will probably cut your electric bills by a few $100s per month. My electric bills reduced from $226 per month to just $78 per month by just changing my aircon and refrigerator to an energy saving version. Mobile plans. Nowadays, we can go out and survive without our wallet, but we can't survive without our handphone. Our handphone have essentially become part of our daily life. And mobile plans can actually range from as low as $10 to over hundreds of dollars per month. If you find yourself overspending on this, maybe you may want to find and make some changes to your mobile plans. Transportation. Getting from point A to point B requires to take some form of transport. We can take a public transport, a reliable family car, or a luxurious BMW 320 series with leather seat and tinted glass. The difference is simply the amount you need to spend for your transport, and depending on your needs, public transport almost always gives you the most savings. Credit cards. Credit cards can be handy at times of need. But if you are spending more than what you earn and not paying the credit card debt, the bills you get will probably give you a shock. Credit cards are known to have high interest rate. If you don't pay your dues promptly, with the power of compounding, the interest can become a fairly huge number, which will take a long time for you to pay down the debt. Gym membership. Having a goal to live healthy is great. And most people took up gym membership because they want to become healthier. But do you know you can do exercise outside of a gym as well? If you seldom go for a gym, perhaps less than 3 times a week, you may consider cancelling your gym membership. Choose to jog around the neighborhood or go to the beach. These simple changes can essentially save you $500 to $1,000 per month, depending on your current lifestyle and your willingness to change them. Step 3. Reduce luxury spending. We love to be pampered and enjoy the good stuff. We are not going to take away all the good stuff in life, but just to make some slight adjustment so that we may enjoy our life while achieving our $10,000 saving goals. Let us use our favorite beverage, coffee, as an example. I believe most of us love to grab our cup of coffee each morning from our lovely cafe next door to start our day or during a lunch break. Coffee is an important part of our life, and spending that $6 for the cup of coffee seems so normal. But with a little math magic, you will find just how much are you spending on that coffee. If we are having 2 cups of coffee each day and each costs $6, we are spending $12 per day. It may not sound like a lot, but if we multiply it to a year, we are spending over $4,380 per year on just coffee alone. If your goal is to save $10,000 per year, your coffee habit of buying from a cafe isn't going to help you much. You may consider cutting your spending from buying a cup of coffee from the cafe, but instead make your own coffee for just 50 cents per cup. This simple change can probably save you hundreds per month and thousands per year. This applies to eating out or buying that new handbags as well. If you are unsure how much you should spend on luxury items or service, maybe following this rule can help. The rule of luxury spending says, you should only spend less than 10% of your salary on luxury spending. Step 4. Increase your income. Some of you may not have much to cut from your expense, especially those who are of the lower income group. If cutting expense doesn't work, the only other way is to increase your income. Earning a high income may not be an easy task, but if you have the will, it is possible. Just to refresh your memory, the goal of $10,000 saving per year will only requires you to earn $28 more per day. And to achieve that is pretty simple. In fact, there's 2 simple ways to earn more income. Method number 1. Get a part-time job. Working a part-time job gives you on average $15 per hour, which means you will just need to work 2 more hours per day and you will able to save an extra $10,000 per year. Just sacrifice 2 hours of your Netflix watch time each day and you will soon reach your goal. Method 2. Negotiate or get a higher income job. A 9-to-5 job means 8 hours of work each day. And if we break it down to the amount you need to earn per hour to reach the $10,000 per year goal, you will get $3.50, which means you will just need an extra $3.50 per hour to reach the $10,000 saving goals. Simply find a job which allows you to achieve that. Or you can perform exceptionally in your job so that you can negotiate for a pay raise. Step 5. Act now. This is simple to understand, yet is the hardest to do. Act now means that you'll be able to start your plan and finally reach your goal. Without actions, it's impossible to reach your goal. Thus, this is probably the most important step of all. Your first goal is to save $10,000 per year, and the next will be $100,000 per year. Believe in yourself and focus on your goals, because you can be in control of your life. Hey, thanks for watching Income Buddies. Be sure to like and subscribe because more great content like this is on the way. We are curious to know, do you believe you can save $10,000 per year? Come and let us know in the comments below. Wow, you're still here! Thanks for staying with us till the end. Here is your bonus. Read more. Reading allows you to learn from the experience of the most successful people. Multi-millionaires like CEOs of big companies and billionaires like Warren Buffett read at least one book per week. The more you read, the more you earn. Equip yourself with the knowledge so that it can help you to grow your income. If you have stayed with us till this point and have learned something valuable from here, please write "believe" in the comments below. Believe in yourself because we believe in you. Thanks for spending time with us. Make sure to like and subscribe so that you'll never miss another video. See you on our next video. IncomeBuddy signing out.